Good morning. This is our automatic sieve shaker from GEOTECHNICAL testing equipment. We already here demonstrated some sieves, and we have some samples already inside the sieve. On top we put a lid, and here we have a receiver, and the sieves are 300 millimeter diameter. The machine is very simple, and it can be used for also wet sieving. We have an outlet from the other side where water can come out for wet sieving. Here you have a timer where you can choose between minutes and seconds, and it's very simple to set up. The timer, you just set up how many minutes or seconds you want to set. Over here now it's set up for seconds, by just pressing the up and bottom arrow to set up the time. And then you have the start-stop button, which once you're ready here, for example, we could just press start. We will set it again for 1 minute. So here now it's set for 1 minute. Once you set it up, once it reaches the minute, it stops automatically. This is our automatic sieve shaker.